In China's highly urbanized and industrialized Yangtze River Delta, Wuxi locates in the center. Every day, the city greets over 130 rushing high-speed trains, nearly 100 domestic and international airlines, and 10,000 DWT tankers and carriers traveling among world-famous harbors. Wuxi is a real transportation hub, a busy and prosperous modern city. As the origin of China's national industries, being open and pragmatic and encouraging industries and commerce have been the soul of this city for hundreds of years, and the beacon inspiring people to move forward generation by generation. In 2016, Wuxi's GDP reached $134 billion, with a growth rate of 7.5%. The per capita GDP is over $20,000, which ranks top among large and medium-sized cities in China. And the overall volume of import and export totaled $69.9 billion. There are totally 112 domestic and overseas listed companies in Wuxi. 96 top 500 multinational corporations have set up 184 subsidiaries in Wuxi. 14,000 foreign-funded enterprises have been approved in Wuxi, with a paid-in capital over $53.2 billion. Wuxi, an important industrial city in China's economic development, will fully implement the strategy of developing the city with real economies by promoting the industrial development towards intelligence, greenization, service orientation, and high-end products, to realize the vision of to be an innovative city with modern economies in the era.
In order to provide our China customer better product and solutions, Caterpillar extended its global R&D footprint in Wuxi, Jiangsu Province since 2009. Benefit from its developed economy, convenient transportation, competitive cost, and support from local government, Wuxi provides solid foundation for fast growth and the long-term success of our R&D center.
Wuxi offers an excellent location with good inland connection to big industrial areas in the Jiangsu province, giving us great accessibility to the market for reaching our today's and future customers.
As one of National Integrated Circuit, IC design and production bases, a complete industrial chain ranging from chip design, masking, sealing and packaging to testing and accessory support has taken its complete shape with 200 microelectronic enterprises. In the fields of new energy and environmental protection, Wuxi is not only an important PV manufacturing base, but also the distribution center of intelligent fans with China's only national-level environmental protection science and technology industrial park. Wuxi is a city with innovation. Every time its surpassing might be the indicate of a new miracle. As a model of China's development in smart city, the technology integration of Internet of Things and clouding computing allows dreams touchable and extends Wuxi unlimited. With the label of a global safest service outsourcing city, Wuxi has 15 featured industrial parks, over 1,000 companies, and more than 100,000 professionals, forming the most competitive service outsourcing industrial cluster in China. In biological medicine industry, Wuxi not only is the research and production base of several international well-known companies, but also provides startup incentives to overseas elite teams.
AstraZeneca entered China in 1993, and over the last 20 years we've had a very successful operation here in Wuxi. During that time we've invested over $500 million in both a manufacturing facility that supplies high quality products to patients in many countries around the world, and also in a trading entity where we have the latest logistics and distribution technology coming online in 2016. The reasons we've been successfully developing Wuxi are down to the access to capable people and the geographic location, the continued development in infrastructure and services, and a strategy of developing a biopharmaceutical industry and ecosystem.
By respecting the value of creative design and protecting intellectual property rights, Wuxi is an ideal place for inspiration and creation. Wuxi owns a comprehensive industrial design and producing industry. National Digital Film Industrial Park, Wuxi Studios, gains the favor of numerous world-class filmmakers. With more and more foreign banks, Wuxi can also provide diversified financial services. Foreign invested insurance, leasing and commercial factoring companies have been developing rapidly, and the development of financial industry keeps a strong momentum.
Wuxi GDP and GDP per capita rank high in recent years and had active and favorable financial environment and markets. With the strong support from Wuxi government and the regulators, City Wuxi has gained steady progress and momentum. With operations in more than 160 countries around the world, City is the most global of the international banks in China. We provide international and professional financial service to support local enterprises development and leading wealth management and retail banking solution to our local citizens.
Wuxi is a livable city with excellent balance of natural sceneries and modern lifestyle. Wherever you come from, whatever you do, you can always find a suitable pace for yourself and your family.
Liwat Center Wuxi was invested and developed by IKEA Centers Group as our first shopping center in China. We choose Wuxi as our first destination due to its location. Wuxi is a center of Yangtze River Delta, and it helped us to get customers not only from Wuxi but also from neighboring cities such as Suzhou and Changzhou. After 2 years of operation, Liwat Center Wuxi has high popularity in the city. In year 2016, we have received more than 14 million visitors, which is 26% higher compared to previous year. Wuxi economic power and average household income rank top among cities in China.
Wuxi is said to be a city where its residents have the highest feeling of happiness. I personally like this historical city for its proper size, friendly people, and many nice sceneries within reach.
By selecting Wuxi, you will be rewarded with comprehensive industrial supporting facilities, ample resources, and highly efficient administrative services, as the business belief and service spirit have already been the soul of this city.
We have clearly had strong support and partnership from the local government over the last 20 years. This has included approvals and registrations, tailored services and business development, and a focus on industry specifics such as regulatory and market access. We are clearly very grateful for what has been great support so far, and is why we're continuing to invest here in Wuxi for our future.